Hello everyone, my name is Jenny Carol Perez Villanueva. My code is 463801444. This is the final task for Didactics of Social Science. I'm going to describe my lesson plan. My lesson plan, the topic is Colombia's Bicentennial. So the main objective or the objectives for this topic is the student understand why Colombia was fighting for the independence by Spain, to identify important characters and dates, and finally, the students know why Colombia celebrates this year the Bicentennial. So for this lesson plan, I use or apply some strategies. Technology, of course, technology in the classroom strategy. Inquiry-based instruction that in which I will investigate that a student, how much the student know about the topic. And the other one, elaboration strategy. This method asks a student to go below simple record of information and start making connection with the content. And finally, cooperative learning strategy, in which the student work together and mix abilities or skills to work together. So the competence to develop, I use interpersonal interaction, verbal communication, work in group, and analyze and thinking. So for warming up, I use 2 videos, animate videos, funny videos that make more interesting the topic or the class. After that, a student have to explain everything with a cartoon in 10 essence. So the next activity is the student have to develop a worksheet with some question about the video. And finally, the last activity is that the student work together and make a play. So for assessment, for this topic, I will evaluate everything. So the first score is for the cartoon. The second one is worksheet. I give a score, and the last one is a play. I give a score. For conclusion, I choose this topic first of all because all media and communication talk about Colombia's Bicentennial, and I want to students understand why. Secondly, because it's important that Colombian students know their history, the important events, characters, and dates. And of course, they have to know our history. And finally, students develop different skills and competence to work in this topic. So for this lesson plan, I use those reference. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.